Started? Start?
Repair test started.
Yep. Hi, State Farm. As you see, we're doing a repair test on this one. Real quick, like before we do start, I just want to say y'all said 7 on the whole roof. We got 10. We did take some close-ups, not including hail or any wind-driven debris. Some shingles creased up there. You can see that fiberglass on that one right there. One missing there. You got one over there. This one, there's a tab right there, a tab right there, and there's a couple more creases over there. So we found a little over, I mean, there's a little more than 10 as far as total, but just wind, there's a 10 on this slope. But hey, it's all cool. We got some photos we're gonna send it to you if you sort of back up over there. So to do a repair test right, let's see if this is repairable. I think the homeowner said it's like 19 years old, probably past that threshold, but we want to show, we attempted. We're doing this shingle, so I got to unseal this one, this one, and this one to get the nails out. I am using the tool you require, the roof snake. So I'm going to start seal these. See, I tore that one right here. You come zoom, get close up of that. Now, on that one, you're probably gonna be like, why not go all the way down? Well, I go all the way down because I don't want it to have, I don't want just one piece to be unsealed and then it put all the pressure on that side, so when I go lift it up to get the nail, it rips, right? Or whatever. So it creased. Well, not creased, it tore. So then I'm gonna unseal this one. And it is not super cold right now. It's 70 degrees out. So it's not super bad. It tore right there, you see that bug? So it's already failing, y'all. It's brittle. Alright. So next part, I do have to lift the shingles up a little bit to find the nails. I'm not gonna lift them high though. I'm gonna keep it below 45 degrees. I know that's what y'all like. Locate these nails. At this point, I'm gonna pull the bottom row through. I'll pull the bottom row through and then eliminate all the extra creasing on the shingle, and then I'll get them out afterwards. I found that protects all the shingles a little more. Alright. Now, do this top row. Found it. Ooh, you see that bug? I just shredded it. That's just me trying to get up under the nail. I can't get it. I'll come back to it. I'm trying to be gentle, y'all, but it's gentle ain't right now. Flush, I ain't even in there. I cannot get the suckers to come out on the first. Hey, that flush is.
in there? He must have some daggone freaking big cargo or something. I lived in a single high, y'all. Just trying to get it out.
Usually these are quick. This one gonna be a little long.
I can't lift the single high. There it is. Not high nailed. If it was high nailed, I'd see it. Saw that one broke. Yeah, I kind of pulled it the way I did, y'all, but I just don't think I was getting it without it. So, sorry. I didn't lift the shingle high in doing so. Kind of a rough edge. I don't know where this last one was up there. All right, stay farm. Back in business. Oh, a long sleeve, and I'm sweating. What the hell? The catfish on the underlay of the block.
That might be a perfect size. These two different chain brands. Alright, you still rolling?
Yep, still rolling.
Don't stop. Once I hammer nails in, keep it going because I'm gonna take the phone and go through. I see the tears. I already see a couple creases.
So we'll look at them after I put the shingle in there. Put the hammer. That big divot right there.
Old Rufus snake divot. I usually don't put all of them back, just because, just more, what you call it, for the shingle. Crease right there. So I usually try to put some on back, not all of them. It's hard to get straight nail on this thing. So I'll stop there. Keep it rolling. Still going?
Yep.
All right. All right, so let's start here. This one, don't, you know, I even put me, right? I didn't lift the shingle high tearing it out. But by tearing that corner out, because I was trying to figure it out, it tore that one. That one's on me. Don't even count it. I don't care. Starting right here. See that? When I wipe it across, see right there, it's a light. This is a light wipe, y'all. Fail. Right here, not a whole lot going on right there, but there was the where's it at? Right there, the root snake, and you see the big tear. That's a fail. Right there, what is this one? Yeah, you see it right there, very creased. Fail. I didn't unseal that one, did I? No. And then we go back here. Kind of wipe across, not a whole lot right there. There was the tear right there. I will count that. And then you come to this one, you can see the crease. Lightly wiping it, right? Not very hard, just lightly wiping it. And I mean, look, all the way across. You see it, right? Kind of hard to see with this color, but it's there. Boom, boom, boom. So this is a failed attempt, y'all. We're gonna walk the roof to see what the rest of it looks like, but we did find 10. It is a failed attempt, right? We showed willingness. I mean, it creased right there. You know, we're gonna get some good after photos. We've already got 4 photos, and I mean, yeah, we got 10 on the front. Y'all said there's 7. The adjuster, he didn't do a very good job taking photos. So that same dude I've had some problems out of, as far as just the way he takes pictures. But like I said, it is failed. So thank you.